Alright, in question 4, we want to use the following equation to figure out how much copper we could make from the given zinc, assuming we have excess copper sulfate. So we're going to assume this is an excess. So we're going to say, alright, if 17 grams of this zinc go through this process, how much copper do we actually get? Alright, first thing we need to do on this one is balance our equation, because it does say it's unbalanced. And this one, I'm going to start balancing it by using these sulfates. And I have 3 sulfates, so I'm going to come over here and say I need 3 zinc sulfates, which will put a 3 in front of that. And then those 2 coppers gives us these 2 coppers. Alright, now to do this, all I'm going to do is take that 17 grams of zinc that we start with, and very first thing I'm going to do is turn it into moles using the molecular weight of zinc, which my periodic table shows that is 65.41 grams. And then my equation here, since I care about copper, I'm going to convert my zinc into copper using the coefficients for my balanced equation. And then the last thing I want to do, since I want to get the theoretical yield, or the maximum grams of copper, I'm going to convert these moles of copper back into grams using the molecular weight of copper. Alright, so let's see, what do we get here? 17 divided by 65.41 times 2 divided by 3 times 63.55, and we get 11.0 grams. Alright, now that's a theoretical yield. Down here, the next one, it says we only got 10.5 grams of copper, so we want to know what the percent yield is. Only thing we ever do on percent yield is take actual over theoretical theory and multiply that by 100%. So all I'm going to do to get this number is take that 10.5 we just were given in this part B and divide that by the number we got before. And then move the decimal over to make this a percent. So what was that? 95.4%. So pretty darn good percentage. That tells you that the quality of the zinc was probably pretty good to begin with, because it doesn't have many impurities to it. So almost all of it was converted. Alright, and that's how we do something like question 4.